today. Today I want to talk about something very close to my heart, and that is thin hair problems. Personally, I have really fine hair. I have a lot of it, but it doesn't change the fact that it's really fine, and a lot of the times defaults to lifeless and limp rather than voluminous and thick as I would like it to. We gotta work with what we've got. So today I'm going to be sharing a tutorial with you that I use to make my hair go from thin to thick and fabulous as it is right now. If you want to learn the secrets to getting your hair big and bodacious, then keep on watching. So we're going to start with towel dry hair, and the first product that I'm going to use is a thickening mousse by Kerastase. And then I'm going to be applying this from roots to ends. So since I'm going to be using two different hot tools today, we've got the dryer for the blowout and then the curling wand for the curls. I want to make sure that my hair is protected from the heat, so for that I'll be using the Kenneth Bernard Thermal Protection Spray. And then I'm going to give that a quick comb through to make sure that any and all products in my hair are evenly distributed. So next I'm going to be giving myself a quick little blowout so that my hair dries in a way that promotes volume. And so for that I'm going to make a little part just above my ears and section my hair into two different pieces. Alright, I'm going to be using my handy tools, a low round brush, and my Dyson Supersonic to give myself a little at-home blowout. So now that my hair has been blow dried, it is definitely looking voluminous. The next thing I do is curl my hair. And my favorite tool to use is the Revlon curling wand, and I've been using the, I think, 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches barrel. And then I'm going to curl my hair the same way that I blow dried it. So I'm going to section it at the ears and then curl the lower level first and then move up top. And then I spray my curls with the L'Oreal Elnett Satin Spray with extra strong hold. So then I let my curls set for a little bit because they gotta cool down before you brush them out. We all know the rules, and if you didn't know the rules, those are the rules. So at this point I just kind of run my fingers through my hair and break up those curls. So after I brush my hair out, this is usually what it looks like. It's a lot fuller and voluminous. From here, if I want to jack up the volume just a little bit more, I'll go in with some light back combing. So I'll grab a brush and I'll use the wider end of the comb and then just do some light back combing along the strands. So don't end at the root, kind of go to the middle and just really lightly get you a back comb going. And then you can smooth it out with a brush. There we have it, a transformation, a glow up, if you will, of my thin to thick hair. So I am going to list all of the products that I used in this tutorial down below so you can easily pick those up if you want to recreate this look or if you're looking for new products to try, really anything. And that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me in bringing some life back into this hair, and I will see you guys in the next one.